GM and welcome to a new video. This is another airdrop opportunity, and what you're seeing is HubAI. They are the smartest airdrop of 2025, as they say. It's super easy to do this. It's completely free. And I'm gonna show you what HubAI is, how to sign up for the potential airdrop, and how to get started and how to train the AI, because this is what you gotta do to earn IQ points to then qualify for their airdrop. Now, let's dive right in. What you're seeing is their promo video that they posted on the 12th of February on their X account. As always, this X account, the official site and everything will be down in the description as always. And while you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and send this video to as many of your friends as you can so they can also participate in HubXYZ. Now, let's dive right in. This is the official HubXYZ account, and this short post actually explains the whole thing pretty well. This is the smartest airdrop of 2025, how they call it themselves. Train HubAI agent on X. So this is what you gotta do. Then you earn IQ points by replying with smart answers, and then you can convert IQ points into Hub tokens at the TGE. You can start now at ai.hub.xyz. They go into detail here, and I want to go through this via the thread because I think it's very well explained there, and then we're going to go in ourselves, sign up, and I'm going to show you what works and what doesn't. Prove your worth by training HubAI on X. Hub's AI agent sparks daily debates with thought-provoking questions and trending topics. Each answer refines the AI's intelligence, shaping a network trained by those who think ahead. So you probably know that AI, and especially AI agents, they need a lot of data to actually improve or get better with their tasks that they get. Well, what Hub does is they give out some questions like, February is flooded with NFT mints. Which ones are you aping into, and what's the hidden knowledge behind your picks? They want you to reply to this question in a meaningful way, and the better the answer is to train the AI, the more points you get, which will result in more Hub tokens at TGE. I think it's pretty clever of them because this way their account gets a lot of traction. They can train their AI, so it's a very well thought out system in my opinion. Then you can accumulate IQ points, earn IQ points by providing smart answers on X. We already talked about this. They mentioned this several times themselves now. Climb the ranks, unlock exclusive rewards, and secure your place in the cult. Convert your IQ points into Hub tokens at TGE. We're gonna see this later. We have different levels that you can reach, and with each level you get different perks, so it's all gamified deluxe. Smart answers. HubAI evaluates each response, rewarding clarity, depth, and relevance, while engagement also plays a minor role. The value you bring defines the IQ points you earn. Rise in rank, unlock powerful rewards. Hub airdrop, exclusive partner airdrops, access to the cult's inner circle, VIP entry, and plane tickets to Hub's elite event. All right. Expand the cult, strengthen the ranks. Of course, they have a ref link or affiliate system in place. Each new recruit grants you 100 EQ points plus 10% bonus from their IQ points, 5% from second degree initiates, 2.5 from third degree initiates. Knowledge is power, but power must be earned. Every answer sharpens the AI, and so on and so on. So they already have this in place. I think it's only 50 IQ points by now that you get through the refs, but we will go into this. Now you know what they do, and you got a brief summary. Let's go on the platform. This is how it looks once you signed up. You will need to connect your X account, of course, because they need to see your answers and have access to the X API. You need to connect your X, and you can connect your Discord as well. It grants you 10% bonus IQ points. So I did it, but it's completely up to you. The X account is necessary because everything is based on X. So yeah, you need to connect your X account. This is an airdrop that doesn't favor the influencers or the big accounts because it really is depending on the answers. Of course, the influencers will onboard a lot of people through the ref links. As you can see, I got 0 referrals. Maybe you will be number 1 after I release this video. So feel free to join via my link. But the team already said that the majority will factor in the IQ training and the levels that you advanced. And it doesn't give you that many IQ points in comparison to good answers. What you can see here is the dashboard. You can see your name, the number of IQ points, and the rank that you have. Here you see the levels. Currently, I am on level 4. We're gonna go into the levels later on. What you can do is you can click on Train the AI. Then it prompts you to the latest question from the agent. And then you can start right away, give an answer. And the important part is that you don't just post how many sponsored posts would you be willing to push per month. Don't just put 2. That doesn't make sense. Also, 2 per month doesn't really make sense. Maybe put in a little bit more effort than just doing this. We can go in here because it's very transparent. My first tweet, and I think this was the first that I answered, I got 240 IQ points for this, and my tweet was that. That depends entirely on the balance between authenticity and monetization. If it's high quality, relevant sponsorship that aligns with my audience, maybe 2 to 4 per month max. Anything more risks dilution of trust and engagement. I actually got more for other answers, but as you can see, it pays off to write a little bit more and just give your opinion, and then you get points for this. We can take a look at the answer that got the most IQ points for now. 390 was for this one here, which is my central exchange that I use the most. It's Kraken Pro for me. Why? Security, regulatory compliance, low fees, fired on off ramps, solid UI and API, and so on. I gave a long answer and I got a lot of IQ points for this. I explained why I really think this. What you can actually do, and what I also did, is it's not only the newest question that counts, but you can go through here and answer the older questions as well. That also gives you IQ points. So I only joined a couple of days ago as well. You can go through all of those and answer all the old questions, and if they are not shown here around the mask or on the right side, then you can also go through the HubXYZ and just scroll through the feed and look for the questions that they answered here. They look like this: number 18, number 17, 15, 14, 13, and so on. So just go in here, pick them, give an answer, and then it took like 2 to 10 minutes until I got the points in the hub here. So it might take some time. Let's do it together because I prepared this here. I already prepared an answer to this question: where do you hunt for early alpha, creators, groups, friends, or secret communities? This is the answer that I prepared. I'm just gonna hit on reply. And it's 10:08 now. Let's see when this pops up, if this still happens during the video. Now, you know the dashboard. Under referrals, you see who you invited. Then the leaderboard rank, I think that's pretty clear. You can see the Twitter feed. This one here is a super useful feature. You can filter by replied and not replied. So you can just go on here and see which ones you can answer to and which don't give you any answer anymore. So since those here are all expired until 7, I haven't answered number 8. I'm gonna go in here and answer this ASAP. This still counts for the AI. So just go through this one here, the Twitter feed, go through the not replied and reply to all of those so you can make sure to get as many IQ points for the questions that give you points. Now, to the rewards. The first level is super fast. Basically, your first reply, if you don't mess it up completely, you will get over 100 IQ points, and then you can claim those here. You need to click on the rewards to actually claim them. And you can see I am now in level 4. You get different perks. For example, you get IQ points, boosts, or the ecosystem partner airdrop qualification is only if you reach level 3. And once you reach level 4, and this is the really important part, you got the hub airdrop qualification. So you need to get at least 3,100 IQ points to get this done. To be honest, I only did a couple of tweets, already am almost there, 33,000 on the leaderboard. So yeah, I think it's very, very doable. Then there's other perks that come with the other levels. For example, the cult whitelist or boost IQ points by 50%, which is a lot. And a lot of stuff in here. It's all gamified, as I said. And I think this is not just a airdrop for the big accounts, but I think everyone can benefit from this because it's super easy to answer all those questions here in the Twitter feed. If you don't know what to write, there's always ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, and so on to help you craft meaningful answers. Use the AI to train the AI, basically. This is what I'm doing from time to time, so just a little hint on how to maybe craft some good answers for the Hub AI agent to feed. That's already a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will definitely do an update on Hub. I also got the Kaito Yaps series on my YouTube channel. There's a new Monet testnet video coming. I got the weekly abstract series. So there's lots of content around airdrops specifically. And that all being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.